Hello students, we are dealing about um, indexing by terms in a information retrieval system. Okay, so next thing here, already in last class we have discussed about we are having two types of languages for this index processing. What are they? That is nothing but statistical and natural language. So statistical techniques means we are using some vector models and probability models with a special case called Bayesian models. Okay, we are implementing Bayesian models. Okay, in this natural language also we are using some statistical information, but some statistical means mathematical equations will be there. With that we are going to calculate the um, indexes and terms. Okay, so here mainly we are having the Bayesian approach. This Bayesian approach could be applied as part of the index term weighting. Okay, but usually is applied as part of retrieval process by calculating the relationship between an item and a specific query. Okay, this Bayesian approach is given between the item and a specific query. A Bayesian network is a directed acyclic graph in which each node represents a random variable and the arcs between the nodes represent a probabilistic dependence between the nodes and its parents. Okay, in this probability Bayesian model we are using this uh, nodes like tree. In that we are having arcs between the nodes, and we are having the parent and child relationship. Okay, see here it here you can see C1 F11 F12 till F1J. So this is one of the two level Bayesian network. In this, C concept is in a query and F is representing the concept in an item. Okay, so here just here I am taking the example C1 F11 F12 like that, so on to F1 I1J. So in that, see the nodes C1 and C1 represent the item containing the concept Ci, and F nodes represent the item has feature, that is words Fij, like that. Okay, C means node, F means the feature means words, number of words. Okay, the network could also interpreted as C representing the concept in the query and F representing the concept in the item. As I told you, Bayesian model is the relationship between the query and the item. So C ante C representing the query and F representing the items. Okay, so the goal is to calculate the probability of Ci and given Fij. We have to calculate the probability between these C and F. So to perform this we are having two steps. They are, see, we are having two conditions, that is the prior probability PCI or PC1, that an item is relevant to the concept. Okay, second one, the conditional probability P F of Fij by Ci, that features Fij where j is equal to 1, m are present in an item given that the item contains topic C1. Okay, so here we have to apply the formula here, Bayes inference formula. Okay, so that is given by PCI of Fi1 till goes on to Fim, that is equal to PCI T of I1 going on like that Fij Im, that is divided by Ci by P of f I1 to f of Im. This is nothing but the formula. It is providing base inference formula that is applied as it is. Okay, so if the goal is to provide the ranking as a result of search by the posteriors, the base rule can be simplified to a linear decision rule. Suppose if you want to simplify this one, okay, you have to if you want to simplify the linear decision rule, you can also give this formula: g of ci by f of I1 to f of Im, that is equal to sigma of k I of f of ik w of f of ik comma ci. So in this, where I of f of ik is an indicator variable that equals to 1 only if f of ik is present in the item, that equals to 0 otherwise. Okay, when you are giving f of ik, it is nothing but indicator variable that is equal to 1 when f of ik is present. If it is not present, then it is equal to 0. And W is an coefficient corresponding to the specific feature or concept pair. Okay, a careful choice of W provides or produces a ranking in decreasing order that is equivalent to the order produced by the posterior probabilities. Okay, it is decreasing the order W. Next, interpreting the coefficients W as weights corresponding to the each feature. That is nothing but feature means here index term. Okay, and the function G as the sum of the weights of the feature. It results in applying the formula is a set of term weights. Okay. In this next we are having another approach, that is defining these indexes to items is via natural language process. We are having DR link, that is nothing but document retrieval through linguistic knowledge. System processes items at the lexical, semantic, syntactic and disclose levels. Okay, in these DR levels or DR link levels, we are having morphological, lexical, semantic, syntactic and discourse levels. Okay, each level uses the information from the previous level to perform its additional analysis. These 5 levels are interlinked. Okay, it is using the information from the previous levels and it is doing the process. The discourse level is abstracting the information beyond the sentence level and can determine the abstract concepts using predefined models of event relationships. Okay, this allows the indexing to include specific term as well as abstract concepts such as time. Okay, time means differentiates between company was sold versus company will be sold. Okay, it is in this disclosure level we are going to take this time into consideration. Okay, so normal automatic indexing does a poor job. Okay, automatic indexing is doing a very poor job to identify the verbs and relationships between the objects that are based upon the verbs. Okay, this is about DR link, that is nothing but document retrieval through linguistic knowledge.